Good morning, children. So we have completed already fifth lesson. Now we are going sixth lesson. What is our sixth lesson? The journey of food. The journey of food. Okay, children. So this is our sixth lesson, the journey of food. In previous lessons, already you know what is the good food and what are the nutrients present in our body and what type of nutrients we will take. Already you know. So in this lesson, we will know about the different systems, how it works. Okay, children. So that's why you have to complete one puzzle. Now open your studio, children. See page number 87. Here we are having some small puzzle. So we have to complete here 6.1. Fred is about to eat a biscuit. Okay, he wanted to eat a biscuit. Can you trace the journey of the biscuit through Fred's body in figure 1? Okay, can you find out how it will come out? You have to draw here way of this traveling of the biscuit. Okay, children. So you have to draw a puzzle. If he eating this biscuit, how it will become to the how it will come out. You have to draw here one puzzle. Then after you have to write question answers. Open page number 88. First one, see children. Which organ system does the biscuit go through? So in this picture, we can observe one system. Okay, how it will be grow the biscuit. You know that system. What is that? Mostly when we are eating any food, where it will be go? In our stomach. So where it is stomach, it is placed in digestive system. So like that biscuit also it is placed in digestive system. So you have to write here first one, digestive system. And second one, say children, what do you think happens to the biscuit in Fred's body? So what happened in that Fred's stomach? The biscuit gets digested in Fred's body. Okay, it will be digested in his body. And next one, the human body is like a machine. You know children, when we are eating heavy food also, it will be grinded in our stomach. So it's working like a machine. So it is made up of several smaller units called organ systems. You know children, if in our body we can observe different organ systems. Okay, so in head we can observe nervous system and muscular system, skeletal system, digestive system. So different organ systems we can observe. So our human body is like a machine. These organ systems perform different functions. Every system they are having different types of functions. So we will discuss the different organ systems. You know children, what is the organ system? What are the organs? Organs means it is a body parts. So every organ we can add to group, and that organs we can call organ system. Okay. So these organ systems in our body, 7 organ systems we have. So now we will discuss about that organ systems. See children, page number 88, 6.2. It's time to recall, use the given clues to identify the organ systems in our body. In previous classes already you know what are the organ systems present in our body. So we will write here answers. First one, see children, with a nose, a windpipe and lungs, I help you breathe. I am the dash system. In which system we can breathe? You know. So you have to write that answer. If you don't know that answer, don't worry about that. I will send tomorrow. Okay. First you have to try to write. Then I will send page. Second one, see, I carry blood all the parts of the body. The heart is the most important organ. I am the dash system. Heart, where it is located, in which system it is. So it can send blood all the parts of the body. So you have to write. And third one, see, I am made of bones. I gave a shape to your body and protect the internal organs. Okay, it can protect internal organs. It is the shape of the body and it is the strongest organ in our body. So what is it? You have to write here that system. Next, fourth one, see, I am mainly made of muscles. Okay, this system it can made of muscles. You know muscles, you have muscles now, it is a soft structure in our body. So without me, you would not be able to move any part of your body. Okay, so I am the dash system. You have to write that system name. And fifth one, see, I help you digest the food you eat. I am the dash. Now only I said, when we are eating food, which system it is working here. You have to write that system name. Okay, children. So each of these systems is made up of 2 or more organs. In every system, we are having some organs. Okay. So every group of organs form your organ system. So every organ system they are having 2 or more organs. So these organs needs energy to perform their functions. Okay. So if you are doing some work, our organ system also work. So if you are not eating food, how can it work? So you have to know about that what type of the different types of food items and how it we will take and what is the uses of organ systems we will discuss in next class, children. Okay, but today you have to complete 6.2 and 6.1. Okay, children, 6.1 and 6.2 you have to complete today, and tomorrow we will discuss about the remaining topics. Bye, children. Have a nice day.